We want to perform some operations on S. So we want to retrieve some elements. Now, one of the simplest way to use slicing by giving the colon between the brackets. So this symbol means give me the whole elements or the whole list from index 0 to the index 8. We can start from the beginning. So when we put the colon without a starting value, so by default it will start from 0 index from the beginning to the index number 3. Be careful. Here we put 4, but actually it will give us up to the element of index number 3. The opposite way can be used also, and we can start from index 4 to the end. Now, what if we need a group of elements between defined indexes? So from 2 to 5. So when we enter this, we see that 2 is at C. We see letter C actually at the position 2 according to the table. However, it doesn't go, as we saw before, it doesn't go to the index number 5. It stops at 4. So again, keep this in mind. Slicing returns items up to 1 item before the stop index. Again, from 0 to 8. However, we can add a step, add another colon and another value. This value will be the step. So if we enter, we see that it goes with step 2. So it gives A, C, E, G. Now again, it didn't give us I because always stops 1 item before the last stop item. S, again, similarly, we can add 2 colons. So it means give me the whole elements, however, with step 2. So in this case, it will go to the end of the list because in this way, the first column tells the interpreter that we require the all elements from the very beginning to the end. The last example is if we need to start from a specific element to the end with step 3, for example. So here we started from element 1, which is B, and we jumped every 3 elements. So it gave us B, E, and H.